In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Quora. Okay, I will show you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on Quora. I was promoting a lot of affiliate links, and I will share with you in this video one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting to earn a lot of commission. So make sure to watch this video until the end because you don't want to miss this information that I'm gonna share for free. And you can just use free traffic. You can start this business with $0 and so much more. Okay, so let's get started. I started this business from December 2021 until today, February 2024. I'm still promoting affiliate links, still getting commission, and right now in this month I have $5,125 in commission available. I will withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who want to join Fiverr affiliate and make commission, start making some commission like this, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link or this link over here or the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, what you need to do, just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and you need to search for Quora. Okay, because we will use this website to promote our affiliate links for free using free traffic. Search for Quora, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, you should have an account like this one and this will be your home page like this. Okay, so this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Quora. Okay, so why I choose Quora? If we click over here, let me show you. You can see that this website has 851 million monthly visitors. Okay, millions of people are using this website every single month. Okay, this website has a lot of traffic. Okay, so that's why I choose to promote my affiliate links in this website. Okay, so anyways, let's go back. What you will do, go back to your home page on Fiverr, and now I'm gonna share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting on Quora, and I will show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Click on the search and search for video editor. Okay, search for video editor or video editing, it's the same. Okay, and scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here on Fiverr who are providing this service. Okay, so what you will do, you need to choose good seller. Okay, choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, top rated sellers who has a lot of reviews, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so I will choose, for example, I will do expert video editing. This one looks really good, top rated seller, 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. And as you can see, people keep coming back because this seller is providing good service for his customers. So what you will do, you just need to copy this profile link like this and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Quora. Okay, so let's go to Quora, and what you will do, we need to find people who will be interested to buy video editing service. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on the search and you will search for video editor. Okay, search for video editor like this. Just click on the search for video editor, click over here, so you have here all tape. Okay, as you can see, click on question. Okay, so we need people who are asking question on in this website, who are searching for video editor. Here you go, this is the result that you will found. Okay, who are the best video YouTube video editors. Okay, who are some of the best video editors. I'm talking about people, not softwares. Okay, so those people are searching for video editors. Okay, what's the best way to find a great video editor for hire? Okay, this person looking to hire a video editor. So what I will do, I will click over here on answer. Okay, and what I will do, I will go back to this seller page on Fiverr. I will scroll down, so go back to his profile page. So you should find here about this gig. Okay, this is his description. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this description. Every project is different. I have to make sure that your expectations are achievable with, and then I will be able. Okay, I will copy this part. This part looks good. I will use this part. I will go back to Quora. I will put this description here like this, and I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here, and I will go back to Quora, and I will put my affiliate link here. Okay, like this. I will click on post, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be sent to this person who is looking to hire a video editor. Okay, and as you can see, I am full-time video editor. I prefer quality over quantity while working on my project. This is really looking good. So this person is, if this person is still looking for video editor, he will click on your affiliate link like this, and he will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page. Click on continue. If he buys this service, he will earn commission. It's super easy using free traffic from Quora. Okay, and that's it. So that's how you can promote affiliate links on Quora. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Like this video, go watch my other videos. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because I will share so much affiliate links, so much profitable services that you can promote on Quora. So make sure to watch this video, to make sure to subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next videos.